Okay, sorry for the disturbance. We start our topic once again. So the first of all, what is ASP.NET? Have you able to heard my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Semester 5 student.
Yes.
Okay. So what is ASP.NET? So in the screen you see the ASP.NET is a web application of framework developed by the Microsoft. Okay. ASP.NET is a web application of framework developed by Microsoft. Now the each and every words have some special meaning. The first of all, what is ASP? Okay, so what is ASP? So ASP means active server page. What do you mean? ASP means active server page. And in the previous lecture, we discussed what is the meaning of dot and what is the meaning of net. So the dot meanings, what do you mean the dot meanings? Dot meanings the object oriented language. Dot means object oriented language and net means network
Oh,
application. Hello, વોલ્યુમ આવે છે બરાબર?
yes,
हाँ सर.
sir.
ઓકે.
हाँ सर.
So the ASP means active server page. When we call any page on a web browser, like as a Google Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Netscape Navigator. So when we call any page, means a web page on a website, like as a we write at www.yahoomail.com. So user request to the Yahoo Mail means mail page of a Yahoo server. That means user request one page to the Yahoo server, and Yahoo server give the response to the user like this. Okay. Here is the one user. User means client machine. And the one is a another is a server machine. When client machine request to the server, એટલે server ઉપર એક request મોકલશે Okay. So then request transfer to the server. Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
સંભળાય છે બધાને?
हाँ सर.
Okay.
वो
www.yahoomail.com. Okay. Client request to server machine. When client request to the server machine, like as a one website www.yahoomail.com, that time that request is transferred to the server machine. Okay, in intermediate, that is the three-tier client server architecture, and each and every web application use the three-tier client server architecture. The one is the user, means client machine. Second one is the server machine. Okay, means user and server. Okay, and intermediate, that is the logic is a one type of a network application. Okay, without network application, client and server cannot join to each other. So the user request to the server by using a network application and logic. Then after the server give the response. Server give the response, okay, to the user. That it's called a acknowledgement signal. It's called response. So there is the main structure of a web application. Simple. User request to the server and server give the response to the user. That is the fundamental concept of each and every web application. Okay, in each and every web application, that's why here is the ASP means active server page. Active server page means when client requests to the server and server give the response to the user. And we give the one example www.yahoomail.com. Write www.yahoomail.com in a client web browser. Then that request is transferred to the server and server give the response of the first page of Yahoo website and display the first page on the screen of user. Like as a I give the practical demonstration. Screen દેખાય છે દરેકને?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Suppose that is the browser, Google Chrome browser. Do you see? Do you see or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that browser, it's called a web application. Here is the Google Chrome is a web browser, and Google Chrome web browser is a web application. Okay, આને પણ શું કહેવાશે? Web application. Yes, here we write the www.yahoomail.com. Okay, so I am a client and I request to the Yahoo. ઓકે, મેં યાહૂને એક રિક્વેસ્ટ મોકલી તો યાહુ શું કરશે, મને રિસ્પોન્સ આપ્યો અને મને જે રિસ્પોન્સ આપ્યો, ઓકે, ઓલરેડી હિયર ઇઝ કનેક્ટેડ with the Yahoo mail. Okay, so the display the my account, my all the mail account. So in my screen, in my computer, you see the one screen, the page. Okay, you see the first page and that page it's called a active server page. અને જે પહેલું જ મીન્સ ફર્સ્ટ પેજ ડિસ્પ્લે થશે એને શું કહેવાશે, એક્ટિવ સર્વર પેજ. ક્લિયર? What do you mean ASP? Okay, so ASP means when user means client request to the server and server gives the response to the particular web page. Okay, on the client machine, like client PC પર જે first page display થશે that page is called active server page. That is the main concept. Clear? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so ASP.NET is a web application framework developed by the Microsoft. So Microsoft company created a ASP.NET. ASP.NET is a web application framework. It's a very most important word. It's not a software. ASP.NET is not a software. It's a web application framework. Okay, so must remember ASP.NET is a web application framework. Okay, now second, ASP.NET it's allow the programmers to build dynamic website. That is the most important topic. ASP.NET is allow programmers to build dynamic website. Okay, ડાયનેમિક વેબસાઇટ ક્રિએટ કરવા માટે શું કરશે, બેકગ્રાઉન્ડ પ્રોવાઈડ કરશે. Okay, it's ASP.NET is allow programmers to build dynamic website. In the first point, write the application framework. This is a web application framework. So first of all, we understanding what is a framework. So the framework is a one platform, one environment to create a different type of the application. ASP.NET framework. So what is the meaning of framework? So remember, framework is a one type of a environment, one type of a platform provide to the programmer to build a web application, window-based application, remote application, Android application, network application, ERP application, etc., etc. Okay. Once again, what is the framework? So the framework is the one platform. Framework provide the one environment to the programmer, to the user for building a website, window-based application, web-based application, Android application, remote application, ERP application, network application. Okay, so the different type of the application created by on the one base, one platform, one environment, and that environment called the framework. Okay, so ASP.NET provide this type of the framework, this type of the environment. Okay, so framework is a environment. Framework provide the environment. It's a provide a one platform to build a website. That's why we write the ASP.NET is allow programmers to build dynamic website. Okay, so in the previous semester you learned the HTML. And HTML provide a static HTML create a static page. Okay, do not change at a runtime, that it's called a static page. But in a website we create a dynamic page. dynamic web page. So it's a changeable at depend on the time. Okay. So ASP.NET is allow programmers to build dynamic website. Dynamic website means collection of dynamic pages. Okay. Now the next one. ASP.NET is allow you to use a full future programming language such as C Sharp.NET, VB.NET, J Sharp.NET to build web application easily. So ASP.NET it's also provide the different type of the programming language like the C Sharp.NET, VB.NET, ASP.NET, J Sharp.NET to build web application in a easy way. So creating a dynamic website by using different type of the language like as a C Sharp.NET, VB.NET, J Sharp.NET to build a web application. Now the next one. ASP.NET application code can be written in any of the following language: C Sharp, Visual Basic.NET, JScript, JavaScript, and J Sharp. Okay, so the multiple language provided by the ASP.NET framework to the programmer for building a website or dynamic website. That feature is a very useful feature because of that ASP.NET framework provided
हेलो
અલ્યા વિશાલ યાર સડો જતા રહ્યા સન્નાટો થઈ
इंटरप्ट कीजिए कोई
ગયો લેક્ચર પૂરું
अटेंडेंस ले लो।
मुझे की आवाज आ रहा था
હા
माया की आवाज आ रहा था
किसी ने अटेंडेंस ले लेते
ના ના લેવું હજી લેક્ચર બાકી અટેન્ડ શું લેવા
હારું હો કે પણ તારા 11 જણા છે ફરવા
भाग्य
मैं
એટલે સાહેબ
बोला
એ
शायद
સાહેબ
शायद
લિંક
ની પૂરી પડશે કે અટેન્ડન્સ शायद ની ચોલા
અરે સાહેબ લિંક મોકલી
સાહેબ
ફરી
એ
જોઈન થવા માટે
तो मोकली
જોઈ મોકલા
है मोकली
હું જોઈન થવાના
कंप्यूटर
નહીં મોકલી
ભૌમિક હાથો થઈ ગયો એટલે ભૌમિક ને બોલવા દેજો
થઈ ગયા
બીમાર થયો તો કોક
હું થયું લે ભૂમિકા કોરોના થયો કોરોના થયો તો કોરોના
માતા નીકળ્યો તો
લક્ષણો હતા કોરોનાના
લક્ષણો હતા
लक्षण હતો
લક્ષણો હતા
લક્ષણ હતું
કઈ નહીં
ના 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 આવા કાંઈ નહીં
તો સારું કહેવાય
કેટલા દાડા રહ્યા લક્ષણો કેટલા દાડા રહ્યા
3 દિવસ
3 દિવસમાં જતા રહ્યા
આવો જતા રે
એવું શું કર્યું તું?
રાખાને થોડી વાર તો જોડે
ના ના
શાયદ તો જતા રહેલા કાણા જેમ.
ઉભરે હું જોઉં પેલા એમાં લીક આવી ગયું
નહીં આવી લે હું લિંક ના આવો
અરે
ફરી.
નહીં આવી કિશન
સાહેબ એવું
યાર.
મોકલ્યું
આ તો
હું
ફોટા
મોકલી
મોકલાય
બની ગયા.
કમ્પ્યુટર બંધ થઈ ગયું.
કમ્પ્યુટર બંધ થઈ ગયું
મોદીજી PhD કેટલા પહોંચ્યું
વેટ
બસ પીવીઆર એવું ને
બોલતો
વેટ કરવાનું કીધું વેટ કરવાનું કીધું.
લેક્ચર નો ટાઈમ પતવાયો હું વેઇટ કરો.
દિવ્યા બોલ.
સાચી વાત છે જેલો આવ્યો
हेलो हेलो
હા સાહેબ
હેલો
બોલો બોલો સાહેબ.
સાહેબ તો
બોલો ભાઈ થોડું ઇન્ટરપ્ટ આવ્યું ડમ્પ થઈ ગયું પીસી વધારે જોઈન થઈ ગયા લાગે
હા હા હા
Yeah, yes.